In 2015, TD Bank was struggling to keep up with ever-increasing customer expectations. The bank's reliance on legacy data systems and hand-coded one-off efforts to extract data meant that IT teams needed 6 months to deliver new data to business users to help them analyze the potential of new products, explore customer insights, or pursue new market segments. It was also driving up IT costs and encouraging the proliferation of redundant, poorly governed data silos. TD Bank needed a new data solution they could run with. Executive leaders in the Chief Data Office at TD Bank launched the Agile 3.0 IT Model Initiative with the goal of building a new enterprise-scale data-as-a-service platform on Hadoop. By early 2016, hundreds of enterprise data sources had been loaded into the lake, and a growing layer of metadata provided users with a robust platform to browse and shop for data. TD Bank's strategy for using big data at scale as part of an enterprise-scale data marketplace was moving forward. One essential prerequisite before TD Bank's new solution could be rolled out to the business was the definition and implementation of hardened security and governance measures. These measures needed to protect the integrity and privacy of data in Hadoop and meet the requirements of the bank's data governance, security, and risk teams. The team identified 69 separate security and data governance measures that needed to be addressed before the new platform could go live. As one example of how these measures were addressed, TD Bank used pattern matching to identify potential PII data as part of the ingest process. Potentially sensitive data was secured on ingest in 3 ways. The data is tagged as potentially sensitive, so it can be searched and found as such by governance and security specialists. It's also categorized as PII with metadata so that it can be managed as sensitive data within the overall catalog of data in the lake. And finally, it's obfuscated in a particular way based on the nature of the data and TD Bank's defined obfuscation standards for data of that type. Now 1 year into the overall 3-year deployment plan, TD Bank's new data marketplace has transformed how they prepare, manage, and deliver data to the business from top to bottom. Users can now get the data they need to explore ideas, analyze customer information, and pursue more efficient operating models in just hours, something that took 6 months before. Through the data request application, they have the right tools to interpret and leverage data, and a robust new layer of metadata and data definitions is allowing users across the enterprise to interpret data more consistently and collaborate more effectively than ever. After a long dependence on homegrown data solutions, TD Bank finally has an enterprise data lake that they need to innovate at the speed of customers.